Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is a very safe platform. I've been using it for a couple years at this point. On and off, I would buy crypto. Sometimes I'd sell it. Right now at the very top, you can see my portfolio balance is almost $60, and you can see Bitcoin is at $32,000, which is insane. So along the very bottom here, you'll see multiple tabs. The first thing you're going to want to do in order to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase is link some form of payment. So you're going to click on that bottom right where it says settings. And as you can see right there, I have my linked account. But if you did not have a form of payment there, you would just click on that little plus icon right next to add a payment method. So after you've added a form of payment, your home screen might not look like mine because I have those three cryptocurrencies on my watch list. So at the very center, you'll see those arrows going left and right. So you're going to click on that button there, and then you see the options to buy, sell, send, receive. So we're going to click buy crypto with cash. So click on that. And then you can see a bunch of various cryptocurrencies that you could buy, including Bitcoin. So we're going to click on Bitcoin at the very top there. And there you see my payment method. I'm going to blur that out just to protect my personal information. So let's say I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So just type in 100, and at the bottom you see preview buy. So we're going to click on that. And then it prompts you to your last screen where it tells you the Bitcoin price that you're buying it at, how much money worth of Bitcoin you're actually buying. Here you see a Coinbase fee. So you're actually paying about $3 to buy $97 worth of Bitcoin for this particular transaction, but you'll see what the Coinbase fee is for you. But all in total, I will be paying $100. And the only thing I had to do at this point is click on buy now. And that is how you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. If you're planning on buying $100 or more worth of Bitcoin, be sure to use my referral link, and you and I both will get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free after you've made that purchase after signing up for my link. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.